What happens to your body when you eat pomegranates every day? The benefits of pomegranates have been mentioned in medical texts dating back to the 9th century. Pomegranates was originally used as medicine by the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans and was introduced to China by Arab traders in the 7th century AD. This fruit has traditionally been used in ancient medicine to treat fevers, heart disease, kidney stones, and bladder infections. Much like many other common remedies, pomegranates' healing powers were first discovered by observing how they helped soothe minor injuries in farm animals. In addition to being delicious and nutritious, pomegranates have been used throughout history as a natural remedy for many ailments. Here are some of the benefits of eating pomegranates every day. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's jump in and talk about the 7 benefits of pomegranates. Number 1. Boosts the immune system. Pomegranates are a rich source of antioxidants that fight free radicals that are linked to many different types of disease. The antioxidants in pomegranates help protect your body from the damage done by harmful free radicals. Pomegranates are also a good source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system by producing white blood cells in your body. White blood cells defend the body against infections, viruses, and bacteria that can cause illness. Vitamin C also strengthens the immune system by helping to produce antibodies that protect against harmful bacteria and viruses. Pomegranates also contain ellagic acid, which is a chemical that can kill bacteria, fungi, and viruses. In addition, ellagic acid stimulates white blood cells that destroy cancer cells and reduce inflammation caused by free radicals in the body. Pomegranates can be eaten raw or cooked, but they must be peeled before eating. You can eat pomegranate pulp as a snack or incorporate it into recipes like salads, bread, and smoothies. The juice from pomegranates can also be used in drinks like juice cocktails and non-alcoholic cocktails. Number 2. Helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a serious health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. If you are concerned about your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, try incorporating pomegranates into your diet. The ellagic acid found in pomegranate seeds has been shown to benefit people with diabetes. This is because it improves glucose tolerance and reduces insulin resistance. Researchers found that drinking pomegranate juice every day can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by as much as 50%. A recent study included 250 people who had been diagnosed with prediabetes and were at high risk for developing type 2 diabetes. They were divided into 2 groups, where one group consumed 8 ounces of pomegranate juice per day for 12 weeks, while the other group took a placebo. Both groups were instructed to follow a low-calorie diet and exercise regularly during the study period. At the end of 12 weeks, those who drank pomegranate juice showed significant improvements in their blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Number 3. Boosts digestion. Pomegranates are one of the best fruits to eat because they contain a variety of nutrients that help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. A serving of pomegranate seeds provides about 50% of the daily recommended intake of fiber. Fiber can help keep your digestive system healthy by preventing constipation and helping move food through your intestines more quickly. Fiber also helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol. Simply drinking a glass of pomegranate juice every day has been shown to help relieve constipation and other digestive disorders. The seeds of the fruit are rich in many antioxidants that help break down and eliminate toxins from your body more easily. To get these benefits, try drinking 1 cup of pomegranate juice every day or eating 1/2 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds. You can also use pomegranate extract as an ingredient in smoothies or salad dressings. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4. Improves skin health. Pomegranates have anti-aging properties that make them a great addition to your beauty routine. They help prevent wrinkles by reducing inflammation and free radical damage in the skin caused by exposure to UV rays from the sun. They also have anti-aging benefits for your hair because they promote healthy follicle growth and prevent hair loss due to aging or stress. Pomegranates have been used for centuries to treat skin problems like acne and eczema because of their antibacterial properties. They also contain tannins, which reduce inflammation and redness associated with skin conditions such as rosacea and dermatitis. In addition to their antioxidant properties, pomegranate seeds contain elagitannins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on the skin. This is important because inflammation is one of the primary causes of premature aging and wrinkles. The elagitannins in pomegranate seeds can also help to strengthen capillaries under the surface of the skin, which improves overall circulation and helps to keep the skin looking youthful and vibrant. Number 5, may regulate blood pressure. Blood pressure is an important risk factor for developing heart disease, as well as strokes and cognitive decline. Many factors contribute to high blood pressure, including age, obesity, and even genetics. However, lifestyle choices can also affect blood pressure levels. Pomegranate juice is rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for normal heart function. It also contains high levels of vitamin C, B6, fiber, and other important nutrients that help keep the body healthy. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice lowers blood pressure by up to 10% in just 4 weeks. In a study of men with high blood pressure, drinking pomegranate juice daily for 6 weeks was found to lower systolic blood pressure by 10 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 6 millimeters of mercury. This suggests that pomegranate juice may be beneficial in preventing hypertension and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 6, it may help prevent certain types of cancer. One of the most significant benefits of pomegranates is their ability to lower your risk for prostate cancer. Pomegranates have been shown to inhibit the development of prostate cancer cells as well as slow down their growth. Ellagic acid found in the fruit has been shown to protect against tumor development in mice with colon cancer and prostate cancer. In addition, it can inhibit the growth of tumor cells without harming normal cells. Researchers believe that ellagic acid achieves this by inhibiting the activity of enzymes needed for cell division and cell survival. In addition to ellagic acid, pomegranate juice contains punocalagin and punicalin. Both compounds act as antioxidants in the body by neutralizing free radicals that damage cells and cause disease. Pomegranate juice also contains powerful flavonoids such as quercetin, camphorol, and naringenin, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on human cells in test tubes and animal studies. Number 7, supports urinary health. Pomegranate is known to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. This may help prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the bladder wall or the cells that line the inside surface of the bladder. The soluble fiber pectin found in pomegranates has also been shown to promote increased stool bulk and frequency. This may help reduce constipation, which is one of the main causes of UTIs. In addition, the antioxidants found in pomegranates may also reduce oxidative stress on kidney tissue. This reduces inflammation and helps maintain kidney function in people with chronic kidney disease. If you have urinary tract infections, eating pomegranates may help prevent them. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural Food Chemistry, drinking pomegranate juice every day can reduce the risk of UTIs by up to 50%. Possible side effects from overconsumption. While pomegranates are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they can also cause side effects when consumed in excess. According to the Mayo Clinic, excessive consumption of pomegranate juice can cause diarrhea, nausea, and stomach pain. While these symptoms are not life-threatening, it is important to know how much pomegranate juice you should be consuming each day. The National Institutes of Health recommend that you avoid drinking more than 2 servings per day if you do not have any health issues such as heart disease or high blood pressure. If you do have an existing medical condition that makes it difficult for your body to process liquids, then you should avoid drinking pomegranate juice altogether because it could worsen your condition by causing dehydration. Some people have reported allergic reactions after eating pomegranates or drinking their juice. These reactions include hives and swelling of the lips and tongue called angioedema. If you have a latex allergy, you may develop an allergic reaction if you eat pomegranates because they contain proteins similar to those found in latex. Also, if you have diabetes mellitus, then you must consult your doctor before consuming any type of fruit juices because they might affect your blood glucose levels negatively. How to add more pomegranate to your diet. While most of us are familiar with pomegranates, it might be hard to think of ways to incorporate them into our diet. They're often associated with fruit salads and juice, but there's a lot more you can do with them. One of the easiest ways to add pomegranates to your diet is to make your own salad dressing. Add some pomegranate juice to olive oil and toss with greens, tomatoes, and onions for a fresh-tasting salad dressing that's loaded with antioxidants. This is also great to eat as a side with grilled chicken or fish. You can also add pomegranate seeds to salads. Instead of raisins or dried cranberries, try sprinkling some pomegranate seeds over your greens for an extra burst of flavor and crunchy texture. If you have more of a sweet tooth, use pomegranates in desserts instead of other fruits like apples and bananas. This is because they're lower in sugar but still contain fiber and vitamins, making them good for you. Another way you can use pomegranates is by adding them in smoothies along with other fruits. While more research is needed to fully understand the benefits of pomegranate, the existing evidence is encouraging. These little fruits are packing a powerful punch of antioxidants and other nutrients that only seem to prove how beneficial they could possibly be. Because of this, pomegranates are becoming more popular among health-conscious individuals who take the time to learn about their many positive qualities. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.